add an additional component to prevent, to prevent a potential problem versus merely monitoring the flow in the line itself?
No.
Well, let me give you an example. Let me give you an
I
example.
mean, I'm maybe trying to understand your question. How does, it adds an extra layer of,
Well, let me put it this way. The fence in the application that's going around the metering facility. The fence itself is not monitored, correct? In other
No.
words, if I open the fence, you don't know it in Oklahoma, wherever this is.
that's correct.
Okay. So if a person travels onto the Williams property through the fence, monitoring doesn't have any way of knowing that.
But
Well, how would video monitoring get that as well? I mean, what if it's
Just
just,
the video camera.
so there's a video camera and then somebody's on that is Williams or Transco employee?
I'm not saying, I'm not worried about what.
I don't know, I mean, but what do you wanna see?
Excuse me, my question is this, okay? If a person who is unauthorized is within the facility, enters the fence, Williams has no way of knowing that, correct? As this is proposed now without a video surveillance.
Right.
Maybe Mr.
I
Ron,
mean-
go ahead.
I think that's
Mr.
correct,
Rossi, go ahead.
unless and until it affects the pipeline, in which case we'll know instantly,
You'll know
so,
instantly.
But
yeah.
it's not like we're gonna be able to see, oh, if there's somebody in there, call, I mean, it doesn't seem necessary, given there's gonna be a barbed wire fence protecting it, it's located in a very remote area, and we're gonna have two different gas control departments monitoring it 24/7.
And it's not just flow that they're monitoring, there's sensors that detect any anomalies, and they're much more sensitive than the human eye, basically looking for somebody that's doing something. So, one of the concerns is, and you know, we've addressed this at other places, is we don't wanna be calling somebody out every time, you know, there's a deer or there's a shadow that comes across. So, as Mr. Gallagher pointed out, we've got a whole series of sensors that are watched 24/7, and if we had a video monitor at each location, we'd have literally thousands of them. And so it doesn't, we found it doesn't add any layer of protection. I mean, it could detect a deer or a squirrel that comes in or something, but it doesn't affect the safety or the operation of the pipeline. The sensors are what tell us that.
And what are the sensors, by sensors, explain the sensors. What are we detecting with the sensors?
You know, pressure, temperature, flow, so any anomalies there are indicative of either tampering with or whatever other concerns you might have.
And if that should happen, if there is a tamper, okay? Since we're on chief, let's talk about this, okay? Is there a backflow shutoff?
Yes,
Yes,
Is there which shuts off the Transco
that's
back
correct.
into the station?
yeah, in sections, that's
Okay.
right.
In sections. How many are there?